Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. Just a little bit of really important information regarding the some of the tools you need to do the injector replacement job. As you probably already know if you've been watching our videos, we do put this crow's foot spanner in for free with the injector kit if you ask for it. So you would have seen older videos that say, you know, you've got to ask for it. It's not a standard inclusion. You need to say, when you ring up an order, that's the only way to order the injector kit from us. It's a personalised boutique service, right? You need to call up, we do it on the phone, some text messages, some photos, some this and that sort of thing, right? Old school. You need to say, can I please have the crow's foot? Now, we've gone through dozens and dozens of them. Oh, look, I lost count, I don't know how many, but not everybody wants one. The trade guys we supply, obviously, they've got their tools. Some people have got tools and sets already. Please don't ask for one if you don't need one. If you're not doing it yourself, if you're taking it to one of our recommended repairers, you don't need one. Please, only if you need one. Now, we've got a shortage of them, and I mentioned this in another video recently. I only had, I don't know, when I said there was 6 or 7 left, that's it. We did run out for a little while now. People have been sort of missing out. People have been obtaining them elsewhere, you know, when I say little while, you know, a couple of weeks or something like that. Magically, we had a few appear yesterday, so we had 8. One's just gone in a package already. We tried to even get different ones, and suppliers have sent us, like, you know, I'll try and show you this one. That's not going to work, you know, it's a crow's foot spanner, but it's not, you know, that's not the kind of thing we want, right? So that's not going to work out. There needs to be, you know, obviously, so it goes around the pipe, like a pipe spanner, type crow's foot spanner. Anyway, so whatever, what I'm trying to say is, I've got an idea for how we can make these more efficient. Now, this is a tool you're going to use on your vehicle once every 5 or 10 years. So you don't need to keep it in your collection. It is free with our kit. So what I'm asking you to do, most people, what they do, they send their old injectors back to us for a number of reasons. Your free contamination check, and so that we can strip them down and learn more about injectors so we can give you guys the information. So that's awesome. There's some other reasons as well. It's all good. But when you send the injectors back, you just chuck them in a 3 kilo red bag. It costs, I don't know, not even maybe 15 bucks or something like that. 3 kilo red bag. When you do, if you don't mind putting this back in and sending it back to us, right, it is free. You can keep it if you want, but you're not going to need it again. Once your pipes are on, if you've done the job right, they're on for 5, 10 years, you're not going to need one of these again for a very long time, or next time you do your injectors, which we'll have plenty in stock, because we're going to make sure we've got at least sort of 50 to 100 in stock from now on, so that even if there's a shortage, we can we don't run out, sort of thing, like other stuff. Now, so please consider others, and if you don't mind, send it back to me. And if you've got one that you've used, and you can see that you're not going to use it again for a long time, because we have got a shortage, we would like to send them out to the DIYs. At the moment, we've got that many left. What's there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 7 left. Okay. They'll be obviously in the next 7 packages that people ask nicely and actually need them. And I just want to remind you as well, so we're going to take a break from everything really for a few weeks. So we're fully booked up in the workshop till at least the 7th of October. So please don't worry about calling me about any mechanical work, repairs or anything until at least the 7th of October, and then we'll see what we can fit in. So Monday the 7th of October. If you need injectors and stuff like that, you know, injector kits, time belt kits and whatever, we can supply them, you know, whether I'm away, I'm taking leave, whether I'm away or not, but even if I'm away, I've got people here feeding the dogs, whatever, they can looking after everything. They can send the parts and whatever, but I'd rather not. It's still got to go through me. You've still got to ring me. I've got to talk to you, work out what you want, provide that service. I'd rather not do it when I'm on holidays. So if you need injectors or any other parts, please try and get it done this week or next week. And let's say I'll be on leave from, I don't know, let's say about the 15th of September, so 3 weeks, all right? I'm going to take some leave, take a break. I'll do heaps of hours, mate, in the morning, all day, at night. There's so much stuff to do. We've got events and everything, organising sponsors, and trust me, it never ends. You know how it is, you're all busy. So please, if you need any parts, try and get it done sooner the better, really, you know, this week, early next week if you can. Hope this has helped. The deal, I really just want to explain around the crow's foot, but you know, every video it's got a bit more information. I hope you understand where I'm coming from. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, have a nice day. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and really appreciate your support. Thank you. See ya.